Hey, hi. This is episode 16. On the 10th of November. I just want to share a bit about some of the interesting slides here. The first one I'd like to share is about this is actually a joke. Talking about everybody going into Metaverse, NFT. I suppose will be as a collection item, will be sold um in the Metaverse world. And you see people like Horizon, Roblox that went up 40 over percent yesterday on Tuesday, with better profits and all that. And you have um, Facebook announcing going to the metaverse, Microsoft as well. And then you have Facebook trying to pitch merchants to start selling their products in the metaverse world with those metaverse shops available. Yeah, I don't know how soon all this will happen, but it looks like all the billionaire company mega tech are actually aggressively going into this. Um, just want to share a bit about eBay, also one of the company that have started going into NFT as well. So does Playboy and Nike. Nike just filed their trademark registration for all their logos and the digital assets as well. I believe they might start digital shops in maybe Facebook's platform or their own created platforms, for people to actually go to the metaverse and virtual world and actually buy things. So I think they are all starting with all these collector items like artwork, or Nike in art form. Uh, this is just something about eBay. Although I'm not really a fan of eBay, but it's just saying that eBay has been among all the e-commerce stocks. You can see everyone has been affected, from the African Jumia to Amazon of Korea, Coupang, Amazon himself. Having a not so good third quarter. Only a few other counters like eBay and Etsy, handicraft e-commerce sites, that actually did well from the third quarter results. So actually, I went in to study a bit about eBay. Um, this is one of the attractive part about eBay, that they have do share buybacks quite a lot actually. If you can see, nearly 40+%, they have been doing share buybacks since 2011, which is 10 years ago until now. So of course, if the more share buybacks they have, that would mean that the share prices would go up. And this is one of the YouTubers' analysis of the fair value. Now it's actually going at 70 plus, which this YouTuber said is around 95. As I said earlier, they might have new stream of cash flow revenue, which is the NFT. Um, the PE ratio of this company has been decent, and now they are actually below the average PE ratio, just off 20. Not very high for e-commerce sites. And this company also start to talk about their additional revenue on um, payment processing, i.e., they take like 0.1% of people using different types of wallets. eBay has sold a business, but they convert it into a share. So they actually technically a shareholder of this company called Eddie Vinta. Apparently, Eddie Vinta is doing well in the advertising business. I think advertising in the e-commerce is something that everyone need to watch out for, not just the e-commerce revenue and the profit margin. like in Lazada and those Shopee in the Southeast Asia, many merchants now, of course, instead of like allocating X amount, X percentage of budget in billboards and all that, they have not done so, and they are starting to go into digital social media platforms or even e-commerce sites to buy banners and or to have higher ranking when someone search for certain products. So this is the eBay stock price now, 77. Of course, this YouTuber say 95 is a very decent push. I might start a small position on this company soon. Yeah, this is eBay's CEO that recently gave a review. Yeah, a lot of people say e-commerce is a stay-at-home stocks, like and would not benefit from the reopening. If you can see, there's been many ticker symbol counters like Zoom, Peloton, um, or even stay-at-home food like Beyond Meat, especially Beyond Meat and Peloton has really got their shares hammered. Peloton was trading at 80 over dollars 2 months ago. Now it's at 50. That's nearly 40 over percent off down. So Amazon and eBay, just to show a comparison, their difference in their revenue. Of course, this guy is saying that eBay is a narrow mode, slow growth. Well, mode means that you have it's like a monopoly business has a lot of potential for upswing, but I wouldn't classify eBay as a narrow mode. I would definitely classify Amazon as a wide mode growth. Uh, this is one company, Lemonade. Their QR came out on this week, 2 days ago. The shares went down 11% to $61. I have a position in this. I cut lost my position. I plan to restart again over 10 times of dollar cost averaging. It says that it's been ranked number one. I do not know why I haven't actually go deep dive into the quarterly report, the third quarterly reports. But one of the things that happened was they actually bought a car insurance AI company that allows people to pay insurance by usage per mile basis. I think this is a great disruptor. It will definitely uh, take away a lot of market share from other car insurance company. So yeah, so that's about it for today. I don't want to spend more than 10 minutes for every of my video. So take care and please click a like, and watch my previous videos. I also talk about my personal stocks portfolio. All right. Thank you very much. See you.